Thank you for choosing Mr. Handyman. Home improvements have never been easier with the help of Mr. Handyman, the safe, guaranteed solution for all home repair needs. We are a licensed, fully insured company with expertise in residential touch-ups to commercial projects. No project's too small. Mr. Handyman is at your service. To ensure quality service, we hire technicians with at least 15 years of experience in the trades. Your satisfaction and safety are our top priorities, which is why our technicians are also fully background checked, bonded, and will arrive on time in uniform and in a marked Mr. Handyman van. You can rest easy knowing that the work will be completed by a trustworthy, knowledgeable craftsman. Our team will also take responsibility for all cleaning once the work is complete. We operate using the done right promise. If the work isn't done right, we promise to make it right. Again, thank you for choosing us, and we look forward to many years of working for you.